Welcome back to Autobike's Creator. If you love motorcycles, you're in the right place. We bring you the latest news, reviews, and in-depth analysis of the most exciting bikes in the world. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's topic, the return of an icon, the all-new 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod 360. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod has always been a symbol of raw power, muscular design, and a unique blend of American and European motorcycle engineering. After years of anticipation, Harley has finally unveiled the 2025 V-Rod 360, and it's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever. This bike isn't just a rehash of the past, it's an evolution, redefining what a modern power cruiser should be. So, what makes the new VRod 360 special? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about design. The 2025 VRod 360 carries forward the unmistakable drag-style cruiser aesthetic that made the original so popular. However, this time, it's sharper, more aggressive, and aerodynamically refined. The signature stretched-out frame remains, but with a new lightweight aluminum chassis, making it lighter and more responsive. The massive 240mm rear tire has been upgraded to a jaw-dropping 360mm, hence the name VRod 360. A key highlight of the Revolution Max 1500 is its dual overhead cam DOHC design, which allows for higher revs and better efficiency. Coupled with a redesigned cooling system, the engine runs cooler, making it more reliable during long rides. The new 6-speed gearbox has been fine-tuned for smoother shifting, while the optional quickshifter enhances performance, making gear changes seamless. Another game-changer is the smart suspension system. The new electronically adjustable suspension automatically adapts to road conditions, offering a smoother ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty roads, the VRod 360 ensures maximum comfort and stability. Let's talk about sound and exhaust. One of the most defining aspects of any Harley-Davidson is its exhaust note. The 2025 VRod 360 comes equipped with a redesigned 2-in-1 performance exhaust, delivering a deep, throaty growl that turns heads wherever you go. Now, let's discuss handling and rideability. Despite its massive rear tire and aggressive stance, the VRod 360 has been engineered for surprising agility. The combination of a low center of gravity, lightweight chassis, and advanced electronics makes handling more intuitive than ever before. A crucial aspect of any high-performance cruiser is braking performance, and Harley has delivered big time. The dual Brembo radial-mounted front calipers, paired with a massive 320mm disc setup, provide incredible stopping power. The rear single-disc setup is equally capable, ensuring balanced braking performance. With cornering abs, riders can confidently tackle both high-speed straights and tight corners without losing control. So, who is this bike for? The VRod 360 is perfect for riders who crave a blend of power, style, and modern technology. If you want a bike that delivers superbike-level performance while maintaining the soul of a cruiser, this is it. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a new thrill or a Harley enthusiast who's been waiting for the VRod's return, this motorcycle promises an exhilarating experience. The big question remains: is the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod 360 the ultimate power cruiser? From what we've seen so far, it's definitely one of the most impressive motorcycles Harley has ever built. With its high-revving Revolution Max engine, cutting-edge features, and jaw-dropping design, the V-Rod 360 is set to make a huge impact in the motorcycle world. So, what do you think about the new Harley-Davidson V-Rod 360? Is this the comeback you were hoping for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autobike's creator and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.